We decided to try out the new trail. I decided to try out the new trail. I took Vanya with me. I decided to stop in this point because I don't know, two on a motorbike and to drive up, it's like a kind of, I don't know, it's just a killing at a motorbike. And that's the view. It's a perfect place to take some time lapses. It's actually, here you can see down there is a chulik and a rice pads, and so yeah, it's from here it looks, everything looks different. Today it's a little bit cloudy, but at the same time it's not hot, so it's easy to walk. Now it's 3:40 and it feels really good. It doesn't feel hot. Usually this time, that's the hottest time of the day, and it's too hot, but today is fine. And when you come to Amed, the road comes here. That is where you're coming down. Jalan-jalan. Ya. Halo, halo. Oh ya. Okay. We are 287 meters above the sea level, and there is some small village here in the mountains. That's how the houses looks like here. The dogs are swearing at us. Like, oh, angry. Ya, jalan-jalan. Di sini.
Di sini mau mangga, ini bawa saya.
Amed.
Enggak.
Nah. Mangga?
Mangga ya, mau.
Oh, oke, mangga. Berapa
mau.
mangga?
Banyak ini. Masa ada ya?
Ya?
Mau?
Nah, that's okay.
Enggak.
Terima kasih.
Mau.
Terima kasih. The sock with the mango on a head. Quiet, nice place. You can come and pray here. We will not go on a territory because it's a holy place. So that's what I like actually here. The culture and religion comes together. It's like the one thing is continuing on another one, and that's what I miss in many countries. But the Bali is super rich with these things, and just look at this. How cool is this place, right? It's so nice. You can just come here and pray a little bit, and then you do your usual stuff again. Look at that mango, and this is like 310 meters above the sea level. Personal temple. Another mangoes. Isn't it insane, right? Okay, let's go. Now we are on a smaller track again, like as I usually used to use, and so the views around here are just incredible. That way is Amed, that way is Chulik, and then that's the Agong. That way is a Tulamba. rice terraces all the way there. Ivan is only a few days here, so probably he didn't went through the acclimatization process yet, so he's dying at the moment. But yeah, just a simple hike, to be honest. Yeah, we have to start with something, right? Do you regret that you came with me? No regrets. Oh, that's cool. I love you already. There are some berries on a tree. I don't know what this one is. Like, I don't want to risk to eat them, but that's how they look like, and the birds are eating them. So if you have any idea what is it, please write in a comment below. Ivan is going back, so I'm gonna go up there. He's going back because he's walking, but I'm usually running, so he worries that I will be too fast. So yeah, so that's my usual place where I always doing the time lapses in the sunrise, during the sunrise. So I just want to find where the trail is goes, because the last time when I wanted to come here down, but I didn't know where is the trail, because you cannot see it from there. So now I'm trying from another side to see where the trail is. Why I missed it. Okay, I'm on the top. I came to my usual place, and now I know where the trail is going down to another village. That's cool. Yeah, that's the place. That's the place where I came from. The motorbike is somewhere there. So now what I will do, I'll just run down. That's the whole idea. Yeah, and the home is somewhere there. That's where I usually come up, like up here all the way, and then cool. So now I know another trail. So the length of the new trail gonna be around 15 kilometers. So if you're coming to the Bali, and if you really wanna see the mountains of Bali, just hit me a message. I have a new trail for you. All right. Yeah, anyways, so we'll start my rundown. Vanya get lost, he took a wrong trail. So good, I saw him. Actually, it was like a place where there's no bush. So then I saw him, I was like, hey, Vanya! So I got him back on the right track. So it's so easy actually to get lost in the mountains. So that's one of the things what you have to keep in mind. All these people who's just trying to save the money going to Agung and having no idea how to orientate in the mountains. Oh, come on. You're wasting, like you always say, oh yeah, it's my life. If I want to risk it, then I just risk it. But come on, it's like you're actually making so much trouble for so many people actually, because then the local government sending search group to find you with so much resources wasted. You're going to the mountains where the temperature drop is pretty dramatic. you can get hypothermia. You can just fell and broke your leg. And if you're alone, so who's gonna help you? Even you are two of you, it's bullshit, right? Just because you don't want to pay anything, so then come on. Hello. Manga.
Ini mau. Nih, ambil.
I don't know.
Tuh, this is you let.
Ah, the passion fruit. Ah, manga.
Ya,
Satu, okay?
boleh.
Hah?
Ya,
Oh, terima kasih.
sama-sama.
I never seen mangoes like this, like small ones.
Jalan-jalan.
Jalan-jalan. Amed. Yeah. Amed.
Apa? Pik.
Baboy.
Sate.
Sate. Yeah. So they're gonna be ceremony soon, and then they just killed some pigs, and then now they are cleaning and cutting the pieces for the satay and bala. Okay. Terima kasih. This one we're gonna eat all next week, I think. It's 8 kilos, and it's big eye traveling. Yeah, it's big eye traveling. We'll see. I like a kind of pretty juicy meat of this.